In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set custom notification sound for different applications on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up the settings. To do that, swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On Settings, scroll down to Apps and then Get into it. Then search for the app you wish to change notification sounds for. The easiest way to do so is hit right here and then search for the app by their name. Let's say I'm gonna search for Instagram. In that way we can easily do so. Then first off, we need to get into notifications and now we need to enable it first. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at notification categories. That's where we can easily find a ton of different notification categories for the Instagram app, and good news is that we can set custom notification sound for each of these categories individually. Let's say I'm gonna change notification sound for Instagram Direct. First off, we need to get into Instagram Direct, where we can easily find sound. If we get into sound, we'll be able to select different sound from this list in that way. And the same we can do for any other category from that list here. Let's say we can get into likes notifications. We can in the same way get into sound and select another ringtone for it. Another cool feature, guys, is to set custom notification sound for every email account connected to your Gmail app. In this way, we can make it clear by the sound of the notification where you received the email, to work or personal mail. To do that, we need to head over to Gmail app, then tap right here at three lines, scroll down to Settings, select your Gmail account. Here I got two accounts, so I'm gonna select the first one. Then we need to get into notification sounds here. Then tap right there, tap at sound. And here, in the same way, we can set a specific sound for the email account we selected. In the same way, we can select another account from here and then set a different notification sound for that account. If you wanna set different notification sound for the particular contact from your contacts book, you can easily do so as well. So first off, open up Phone app, search for a contact. To do that, you can just tap right here at search box and then you can, in that way, enter contact's name. Then just tap on it to reveal their options and then hit right here to head over to that contacts page. Once you are at the contacts page, hit More and then tap at Change Ringtone and Vibration. Select Ringtone, tap Allow, and then in the same way we can set here different ringtone for the selected contact. Also in here we can control ringtone volume by dragging it left or right. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily set different notification sounds for different apps, email accounts and contacts on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.